Everyone, once again I am here with the new chapter, that is chapter 9, safe handling and storage of water. Okay, now see that we drink water for proper functioning of our body. Okay, so water is very much essential for digestion of the food and for the removal of the waste from the body. Okay, and we should drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Now come to this potable water. Potable water, that means the water which is clean and fit for drinking is called potable water. Okay, so you have seen that we use groundwater for drinking purpose and river water also for drinking purpose. Okay, but that water may not be fit for drinking as it contains dirt and germs. So what should I do? We should purify that water. Okay, so if what will happen if we will drink the water that is unclean, not purified, then what will happen? We may suffer from what? Jaundice, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera. Okay, so these are the diseases we may suffer from drinking unclean water. Okay, now come to the methods of the, so we have to make the water pure, we have to make the water clean. Okay, or we have to make it fit for drinking after killing of the germs and filtration of the dirt. Okay, so with, various methods are there for the purification of the water. So first of all, see the boiling. In boiling, what will happen? This is the most common method of purifying water. Okay, and boiling kills the germs present in water, and you can drink that water. Okay, now second is the filtration. Filtration, that means we can clean the water with the help of thin cloth or other things which I will explain now. See this traditional filter is there. See this, you turn the page. Now see this. This is traditional filter, and see it carefully. This is very important. Traditional filter, this is traditional filter. So what will you do? In this, gravel is there in the topmost pot, then sand, then charcoal, and then at the bottom you will collect filtered water. Okay, so when you will arrange the pot like this with a hole, then what will happen? First here the filtration will take place, then again up through the sand, then through the charcoal, and lastly you will get the filter water, which is the killer water, and then you will boil this water, and now you can drink this water. Okay, so this is the method of the filtration, and this is the traditional method of the filtration. But nowadays modern methods are there. See this is the modern filter, that is AquaGuard, you see at your home. So nowadays this modern method you are using to filter the water. Okay, now see this is the water being filtered through a thin cloth. Okay, through this you can also filter the water, and then you will boil this water, and then after boiling what will happen? Germs, you can kill the germs present in that water. Okay, now third is the chlorination. Now you will ask, ma'am, what is chlorination? So chlorination, that means filtered water, you have to purify that water by using the chlorine. Okay, so what will you do? Filtered water can be also purified by adding the small amount of the chlorine in it. And do you know what will happen then? Then this chlorine kills the germ and makes the water fit for drinking. So this is the chlorination. Okay, so in this way you can filter the water. Okay, now Now see this topic, this is very important, need for avoiding stagnation of water. You have seen that dirty and stagnant water is a major cause of disease, okay, and the stagnant water is the breeding place for the mosquitoes, okay, and through that mosquito we may suffer from the diseases like malaria, dengue, chikungunya, okay. So we all need to take care that water is not allowed to stagnate in old or broken container around our house, okay. And in the cooler, what will you do? You have to change the cooler water after every 3-4 days, okay. So this, if you will do this, then what will happen? You will do you know what will happen? You will not give the space for the breeding of the mosquito, okay. So this stagnation, we should avoid the stagnation of the water, okay. Now move to the safe handling and storage of the water. Do you know, if you are having the pure water, then what you have to do? You have to what you will do? You will collect that water or store that water in a proper way, okay. So what will you do? See this water is stored in steel and plastic containers. So when you will store the water in these containers, then this water is safe for drinking, okay. Number 1, that means see, these are the types of the containers in which you can store the water, okay. Now come to the, see this, what are the ways for the proper storage and safe handling the water? See this, what are the ways? Number 1 is the water should always be stored in a clean and covered containers. And number B, we should never dip our hand in water stored for drinking purpose. Number 3 is the, we should use ladle or some other clean utensils to take out the water from the container. And number D is the, we should not drink water that has been stored for many days, okay. So when you will take these precautions, you will not suffer from the diseases which spread through the water, okay. Now see this, now we have to conserve water, okay. You have to conserve water, that means we should conserve water, okay. And what type of water you will conserve? The water you will see when where the places where you will see the water, your duty is to preserve that water. That means you will not pollute water bodies, okay. And listen, what will you do? You will use the water properly, so that no wastage should be there, okay. So these are the things you will do to conserve water, and always drink clean, pure and potable water, okay. No problem at all. That's all for today. Thank you.